I prefer people to only think, worship me. But I realize
you can go now. You can go now.
Lots of gods out there, quite honestly.
Your choice of gods.
And then you go when someone's in the circle.
With this one, I just honestly,
really,
it's a way better headline writer than me.
It is very good.
No, stop.
I also asked him to write some wolf get to say now. Kiss me, I'm Irish.
Oh, kiss me, I'm 1/3 Irish.
Oh shit! Here's Santa.
Of course, so pedestrian. You're college kids. You're supposed to be smart.
But then I don't feel creative if I'm just like Holy Spirit's iPhone.
Oh, when you have to name.
Yeah, really. Yield to the oncoming traffic when you have an obstacle.
I don't need my Wi-Fi a fun pun, but sometimes I'm trying to think of a good one people use, but I can't right now.
I believe that was a no stop.
Just about everybody.
It's authentic. It's real.
Thank you. All right.
The main thing is that it's good. If it was
red light run, red light run, red light run.
Street legal tires are today's limit is about 2 seconds.
Pedumstrian. Yeah, that orange shirt gives you all the magical powers to make everyone else stop, apparently.
Where it's just we can ignore that because EV is so new and we don't have an insane quantity of dead EV battery packs just sitting there useless, right?
In a cup every couple of weeks, and they're just we can't even tell what's in your system. There's clearly something in, but we don't know what it is. Do you have any human doing?
Sitting at green light over there. It had been green forever.
This is a complicated topic and one that I will never be able to do justice in a weekly podcast.
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
It's difficult for Brendan to have a conversation with both of them at the same time.
No stop over there.
I kind of get ganged up on
anymore. Another of my siblings has expressed grief.
Whoa, what the fuck?
For the living dead.
There's a car right there.
It's just.
You kind of rolled it there. Sorry.
Well, you keep saying it's value today. That means had a different value yesterday and
no
have a different
stop.
value tomorrow. So why the hell are you calling it a constant?
Well, to us that we had no idea what was on those Facebook pages. So that was pretty much the plot of.
No stop.
So he's supposed to have an immediate psych. I don't know any neo-Nazis, but I sure as hell do judge the shit out of them.
Yeah, that's exactly right. Sometimes it's just enough to know, a lot of the unsavory stuff, right?
To know what they're associating themselves with.
Exactly.
You done messed up, Aaron!
Does or doesn't do.
And LeMayu, they need him at the top of the line.
No stop.
Until Volpe shows you that he can get on base consistently at Volpe. I understand people wanted to glorify that walk to the end of the earth, the walk in the stolen base. Listen, the hype about Volpe.
What the hell's that guy doing?
Has to calm down. Get real calm.
Really?
You can tell how starved the Yankee fans.
No stop. And that guy in the pickup truck's being a little bit dumb. It's impossible to make a left turn out from there because of how packed this road gets. Alright, this is a really good example of why you shouldn't block intersections. Look at how many people got held up because of this guy. Wait, what the fuck? Really? Pretty ballsy considering there's a cop back there.
It was the Immaculate Conception, okay? It wasn't that big of a deal.
Red light run, red light run, red light run, and you can go now.
By the time she was in 5th grade, she had begun having suicidal thoughts. Even with therapy, her struggles with anxiety and thoughts about self-harm made her feel alone. There was no one I thought could help her. I started looking for other people.
Nope.
Sure.
Oh, that sounds enthusiastic.
I don't know. You're the host. You decide.
So no loss. Thanked the Lord on Sunday.
Wait, no left turn there.
Real people.
I feel like I'm in Succession.
I've got multiple comments about how much people
Red
love
light
the
run, red light run, red light run. It's a Scion, so it's a fake Toyo turd.
You do shit like that. The same way some kid that plays a little bit of hoop watches the NBA, he wants to get the NBA. Like shooting up a school is the NBA for fucking psychos. So stop showing them that they're going to get all of this fucking attention. There's got to be something.
Come on, hurry up.
My whole life they've had these fucking weapons.
Dissensions, there is a potential for an enormous amount of pain and suffering.
Absolutely.
Red light run, red light run, red light run, red light run. Okay, I'll stop.
You're just saying, I want you to suffer, and here's how I'm going to make you suffer, and guess what? There is no
Really?
way
Wrong side of the road? Really?
No regrets.
Wait, what the fuck? Right in front of a truck, too. Really? Yep, there he goes, up on the street there.
Instead of starting there, I think we start with, hey, my name's James. And,
red light run, red light run, red light run!
We're a marriage counselor dealing with infidelity. Okay? And so I tell you all that to not make it a
No stop, school bus.
Customize the perfect system for your home in just a few minutes. At simply
Really?
/Burr.
Really?
I went up there in just a few minutes. Did they make it so?
The stability, and you'd have turbulence, you'd have things like that. There are control surfaces.
No stop
on the
before
airplane.
turning.
Control that make micro adjustments.
But why are you going?
In the flaps.
It's still red.
That maintain a level.
You should have waited 5 seconds.
That's at home. They were just like, yeah, we're going to Costa Rica. The house is sold. It's sold already. So that's that.
This is the cute.
Red light run, red light run, red light run. I saw him coming. It was still red, dude. Come on, pass me. I got a half mile to my exit. Come on. No trucks in the left lane. No, you cannot be there if we're in Connecticut. No trucks in the left lane. No, you cannot be there if we're in Connecticut. But we're not in Connecticut. We are in upstate New York. We are on I-81 North Syracuse. There's no truck restriction here, so you're okay. Well, look, there's my exit. Well, this is the end of the video. Hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! Alright, I'll catch you in the next video. Okay, bye!